here again with Danny and Daddy for the foot spa and pedicure and manicure. So matagal na po kami hindi nakapag-foot spa. So it shows. Nakita niyo yung kali ko. So, ayan. We really feel satisfied with massage po yan. I really guaranteed that you visit Alkema Salon kasi they really did a good job para sa aming foot spa and manicure. So, first time ko sa kanilang magpagawa ng ganito. And I was really satisfied.
Oh my
Lalo na,
God.
alam niyo naman po yung aking paa maraming ingrown. So, ang daddy din, pina-foot spa ko. I think it's time for us to have a break. Hindi po every day naman ginagawa namin to. So, once in a blue moon, pampagana ng mga masisipag namin na katawan. So, while we're doing it, si Danny just playing sa side, tapos nag-rest din. So, yan, nakita niyo po, nakatulog na si Danny. So, minasage po nila kami, tapos nilinis ang kuko. So, ano nyo guys, ang sarap-sarap. Alam niyo yung pa ako, ang tigas-tigas na sa sobrang pagod. So, dahil sa nahilo talaga na maigi, masarap yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. And, syempre, napili kami ng tip para naman po sa ating masusugid na mga manggagawa na talaga namang lahat ginagawa nila para masatisfy ang kanilang customer. So, again, this is only located at Legion 2C sa main gate po. Makikita nyo na po ang Alkema Salon. So, if you watch last time, I recommend them for the hair sa highlights, which is yung may-ari yung gumawa. And now, I am definitely recommending you guys their foot spa. Try it. It's only 250 pesos, I think. And the manicure is 100 and the pedicure is 100 as well. So, try visiting them. Again, this is Marichu Curacha. For more inquiries, visit Alkema Salon. Thank you for watching and have a great day.